Okay, class, it's time for shared writing, but we got carried away and we never defined what a quiche was, even though we said what it's made of. So I would like to insert what it is somewhere. Um, let's see, where can we do that? I think we're going to switch out this L and define it. And do you remember what the definition of a quiche was? Was the alternative name, which was also the definition? Yeah, that's right. Tarte salée. So we're going to change it to this savory tart. Cette tarte salée. Oh, and this needs an E too. I forgot that. All right. Okay, so we're ready to roll now with our shared reading. La quiche. En ce qui concerne la quiche, il est important à savoir qu'elle vient de la Lorraine dans le Grand Est. Regarding, or that which concerns the quiche, it is important to know that she comes from Lorraine in the Big East. Cette tarte salée est composée d'une croûte, du jambon, quelquefois du fromage, des œufs et de la crème. This savory tart is composed of a crust, of ham, sometimes of cheese, of eggs, and of cream. D'abord, il faut préparer ou acheter une croûte. First of all, you need to prepare or buy a crust. Après ça, il faut râper le fromage et découper le jambon. After that, you need to grate the cheese and cut the ham. Puis, il faut battre les œufs. I spelled that wrong. Oh la la. Des œufs. Sometimes when you're on camera, you forget what you're doing. Il faut battre les œufs avec de la crème. Then you need to beat the eggs with the cream. Ensuite, il faut enfourner pour 45 minutes. Next, you need to put it in the oven for 45 minutes. Finalement, il faut laisser tirer la quiche pour une quinzaine de minutes. Finally, you need to let it cool. Let the quiche cool for about 15 minutes. Bon appétit! Enjoy your meal!